So hey guys, welcome to the 7th day of the bootcamp, and I'm so sorry this video is coming out a bit late because I was a bit involved in some competition of mine, so the video got a little bit delayed because of that. So let's just move on to the code part. Okay, we'll start by importing all the functions from the turtle library. Let me tell you beforehand, I'm using PyCharm this time because there was a certain issue that took place with my Visual Studio, and it kind of stopped working, and that's why I had to switch with the IDE. The interface is almost the same. You can download it for free from the internet, so there's not going to be any problem because of that. So after importing all the functions, we'll change the background color to black like always, and then we'll be using the for loop range of 420. This will control the basic round operations that will take place, that will kind of move the turtle to around the central point, the point of origin. Okay, so these 420 iterations will control the kind of the petals, portion of petals. It will basically control the portion of petals in the pattern. Also, next we'll be using another loop, and this will basically control the edges of each petal. This will help in creating edge of each petal. After that, we'll be writing our forward function, and we'll be using 0.2 star j. Then we'll be changing its direction by 91 degrees towards the left, and then let's not forget to hide the turtle, otherwise it will appear on the pattern. And let's adjust the pen size. Let's keep it 2 this time, and of course we can't forget the pen color, and let's just keep it white. Speed, let's keep it fastest. And now this left function you'll just have to copy from me. I've just found it somewhere on the internet, and it works really well, so you can just take it from here and try to prepare a pattern. Now we are done with the code part, and let's just see its output. So as you can see, in the initial stage it looks like a tail of some Pokemon but as it grows it looks like a flower only. You'll see when I fast forward it on the screen.